All right, family, running a little experiment here. As many of you know, we have not used the bathtub yet. That's mainly because of me, disgusted by bathtubs. The fact that it's a jetted tub, have no idea who's been using it, what they've been doing in it, and but I did find something that I think might work. I've seen that you should definitely do a before and after, so I didn't get it before, but you're gonna come with me because it's been running for about 20-30 minutes now. We're gonna suit up and go look at what's going on in there. Oh, I already see it. Turn that off. Woo-wee. So I found this stuff, pretty good, apparently. Been running in here for about 20 minutes, and as you can see, the bathtub was clean. I've cleaned it a couple of times, but this is what people say, right? Like, you never know what's going on down in those jets. So now I gotta figure out a way to open the drain, because I definitely not putting my hand in there. I already opened the window over there, but I'm definitely gonna move that air purifier in here too. That is gnarly. Probably gonna do that again just for kicks, because that's disgusting. There you go. You're welcome. All right, already smells a lot better in here because I got that going. So sorry it's gonna be a little loud. I got the grabber. Now that the water has stopped turning, you can kind of see all this little junk in here floating around. Oh, it's disgusting. So, yeah, I'd rather clean this than my hand, right? Now you can tell why I think bathtubs are disgusting. Who the heck knows what all this other crap is? Probably fecal matter and other stuff. Pretty nasty. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that off here now too. See, I mean, they're a good idea, but in practice, they're friggin' disgusting. All right, we got Kathleen in on this now. She's pouring it in. All right, so you can see I used actually a sprayer to spray the stuff down. It actually worked pretty well. So we're gonna do it again. So it's not perfectly clean. I didn't scrub it or anything. I just tried to get as much out of there. We're gonna run it again, see what comes out, and if nothing, then that's good. But if something else came out, then we'll know that we probably need to do it again. All right, here we go, round two. Ooh, it's still coming out. Still coming out, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. That is disgusting. What do you think? Yeah. The water quality looks much better. I think what's nice about this stuff is that it captures it and pulls it up, but the problem now is you can see it's all up around the rim. So I have to scrub that out, but actually looking down, I mean, definitely don't want to get in there, but compared to last time. Let's see if we can get this without being able to see. Nope. Nope. Oh, come on. There you are. Okay, now we're moving. All right, on to round two. So we take this guy. Disgusting. All right, well, now the adventure begins with that stuff, so rock on. All right, got the drill brush, got some other cleaning materials, and looking pretty good. Still some stuff floating around, but for the most part, scrubbed the rim real well. It's just for me wiping stuff in there, but I'd say we're back in business. That looks like a much more inviting tub. So I'm just letting it circulate, draining all the cleaning chemicals out, and we'll be good to go.